Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So our group will present to you about our innovation product, which is anti-slip spectacles. But before that, I would like to introduce you our group member, which are Nurfahana Munirah binti Arifin, Nurin Damia binti Mak Faizal, Muhammad Harizuddin bin Tajaluddin, Amirul Syafiq bin Rizwan, and Muhammad Shazna Rifai bin Shaipuddin. Okay, so before we go through the company product, I would like to explain to you a little bit about our company background. So our company name is Vysion, and we established in 2020 with the purpose of offering customer technology-based spectacle. So right now Vysion is operated out of the Selangor region. Vysion is primarily a technology-based business that sells technologically based goods like anti-slip spectacles. So next we go to the company profile. So this is all the detailed information about our company, such as business address, website, email, and everything. But the main activity for our company is based on electronic products. So next is our vision and mission. So vision of our company is to be a leading company that produces technology-based spectacles, while for the mission is to developing an effective feature using advanced technology in the spectacles that enhance the safety purpose for the road user, creating a technological product that helps us build a relationship with our suppliers and the eyewear industries to push the smart spectacle into the mass market while utilizing this trend as the worldwide market leader, and lastly improving people's life through meaningful innovation. So next, this is our company organization chart. We have Nurfahana Munirah as General Manager, Nurin Damia as Secretary, Muhammad Shazna Rifai as Administration Manager, Muhammad Harizuddin as Marketing Manager, and Amirul Shafi as Operational Manager. Okay, so this is Vision Sustainability. The existing aspiration of our business depend heavily on innovation. Companies that don't innovate fall behind their rival and eventually fail. Firms that are sustainable attract talented personnel, which is compared to their non-sustainable rival. Our sustainable firm employs superior worker. Business that practice sustainable innovation think more broadly and taking data from many perspectives. Because of that, we are more resilient than our rival. Those with a sustainability focus had a higher chance of surviving crisis, had less share price volatility, and produced more revenue over the long term than companies without one. So that's all from me about company background. I will pass to Nurfahana for the background of existing product. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurfahana Munirah and I am the General Manager of the Vysion's company. Now, let's proceed with the background of the existing product. As we can see, here is the existing product, which is called anti-slip glasses. Anti-slip glasses is a prototype device which is a system that helps drivers stay alert while driving on the road. It uses a monitoring system based on eyelid movement that will work in a unison with a microcontroller to check against certain voltage parameters that will determine if the driver is considered asleep. These are components that are used in the existing product. They have a glass frame, IR sensors, and Arduino Pro Mini microcontroller. Next, we can see the vibrator placement, and finally buzzer and batteries placement for the existing product. Next, I will explain the description of existing product. When a driver starts to slip off when driving a vehicle, this smart spectacle warns them. It can occasionally result in tragic accidents since slipping on wheels is dangerous and can cause death. As a result, this device may be used to warn the driver when they start to feel sleepy to avoid such unfortunate disaster outcomes. This project's functioning is based on an infrared IR sensor. The average blink rate is 20 times per minute. It won't affect how well the machine performs while blinking normally. The driver will have closed eyelids while they are dozing off. Since the skin part of the eye is opaque, less light will reflect from it. This generates the highest possible voltage output. A microcontroller is provided for the output. 3 seconds will pass as the microcontroller waits. If the microcontroller discovers that the driver's eyes are still closed, the buzzer is then activated and the vibrator vibrates to awaken him or her. The output of the IR receiver is high, while the eyes are open and low when they are closed. The device will thereafter be able to determine whether the eyes are closed or not. To signal the alarm and vibrator, this output is sent to the logic circuit. An IoT-based system is designed to avoid countless mishaps due to the drowsy driver's behavioral and psychological changes by focusing on driver's eye movements. The existing product was designed with only buzzer and vibrator to wake up the sleepy drivers. For this function, the driver still needs to slow down by themselves, so it also might be dangerous for another road user. To prevent accidents, we can classify as the driver are not fit to drive. Many existing devices designed to wake up sleepy drivers have been filed at the patent office, but they are all taking different approaches. However, they are frequently proven to be impossible to carry out due to the several issues, including trouble wearing it because it is excessively huge, awkward, or heavy. The driver may find this to be uncomfortable. We may infer from the current product design that it restricts and prevents the driver's ability to move and see. Why Vysion tends to innovate this existing product? Here is why. To overcome several issues from existing product weaknesses, an innovative product should be introduced to the market. By using vibrator and buzzer to wake up a sleepy driver, we can classify as the driver is still not fit to drive. To prevent accidents, our companies innovate the system of these anti-slip spectacles with addition of automatic locking system. First, this innovated system provides a system which allows the driver to slow down the car after the eye blinking sensor detected the driver is not blinking eyes normally and finally stop the vehicles. It takes 20 times per minute of average blink rate. In terms of design, our company improvised the design into more trendy, lightweight and easy to handle. From previous existing product, they come out with only the prototype design and it is not applicable to the wearer comfiness. It is also not suitable for market target. With this innovation of anti-slip spectacles that innovated by Vysion company, the smart spectacles can be introduced to the market and road user friendly.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Damia and I am the secretary of Vysion company. I proceed to the Vysion type of innovation. Vysion type of innovation is classified as an incremental innovation. Incremental innovation brings the concept of growing or improving a series of minor improvements to existing products, services, process, and tools. Vysion choose a well-known existing product such as spectacles into one that is useful to drivers while they are on the road. Improvement to components are frequently made and new components may occasionally be added for the spectacles, but always within the constraints of an existing design. As in the business field, Vysion company looking forward to create a lucrative product for the company. So anti-slip spectacles represents as a perfect product to establish in our company. Next, let's proceed to the product categories. Vysion products are categorized as an improvement innovation product. From the spectacles, new features are added to the product, which is the hardware and the software. Referring to our product, the improvement in the spectacles that we imply will detect the person eye blinking within the timing range that has been set at the timer and the buzzer. The buzzer will receive the signal and will generate sounds to wake the driver from sleeping. Next, it will stop the car by the provide system from the Arduino to give the signal to the system implemented in the car itself. We consider making modifications to the spectacles such as the Arduino, sensor, LED, buzzer, battery indicator rather than the entire of existing product. Instead of being replaced, the technology
Going to
is
continue
upgraded.
presentation on the model. This is the top view of the model and the side view and the front view. Next, I will show it to you the 3D model of the spectacle using the software. This is the 3D model of the spectacle. This is the front side of the spectacle where we have the anti-UV glare lenses on both sides. The anti-UV glare lenses will provide protection for the eyes from the sun UV ray. The total length of the front frame is 89 millimeters. This is the left side of the frame. The left side of the frame where we have the on and off button, the battery life indicator, and the buzzer. The on and off button we will use it when we want to switch on or switch off the spectacle. The battery life indicator will show how much battery left on the spectacle, and the buzzer will sound whenever the driver falls asleep. The total length of the left handle is 108 millimeters. The length of each on and off button is 4 millimeters, and the length of the battery life indicator is 18 millimeters. The radius of the buzzer is 5 millimeters. This is the back side of this spectacle where we have IR sensors on the left and the right sides. The IR sensors will detect the blinking of the eye. If the eye blinks abnormally, it will send data to the circuit that is built on the left handle inside here. So when the circuit receives the data, it will trigger the buzzer, and the buzzer will sound and wake the driver. The radius of the IR sensors is 3 millimeters. This is the right side of the spectacle where we store the battery inside here. The total length of the battery is 51 millimeters. The battery is expected to live around 24 hours when fully charged. The usability of the product. The first is to provide anti-sleep help when driving. Second is to help long-distance drivers such as truck drivers. Third is to reduce road accidents. Fourth is to create awareness about micro-sleep. Fifth is to save innocent lives from being hit by the micro-sleepers. The functionality of the product. Steps to use the product. First is to press the on switch. Second is to wear the spectacles when driving long distances. Third, the buzzer will ring when the sensor detects anomaly in the user's eye blinking rate. Fourth, the sound of the buzzer will wake the microsleep user. And fifth, in the case of emptied battery, connect the micro USB charger to charge the smart spectacle. The originality of the product. The upgrades made to the product. It has sleeker design. Second, it is waterproof. Third, it has longer battery lifetime, which is 24 hours. Fourth is it has connection with smartphone. Fifth, added anti-sun glare and UV lenses. Sixth, added battery life indicator. Seventh, added durable on and off switches. And eighth, louder buzzer. Thank you.
BIR 4.0 technology elements are adopted in the Vysion anti-sleep spectacles product. Our products focus on the enhancements throughout time due to gradual advancements in the knowledge and resources related to a particular technology. The application of scientific knowledge for practical purpose, especially in industry, was hugely in demand nowadays. Vysion are one of the company that follows the technology flows as we implement the Internet of Things (IoT) in our anti-sleep spectacles product that are fitted with the Arduino programming connected to the hardware, including the Internet. These IoT technology are able to exchange real-time data from the Arduino to the Internet Wi-Fi with other connected devices and systems. Our cutting-edge technologies are linked to the auto locking engine system in the cars, and these programming systems can exchange data with other network that connected to the devices and
I'm about to
systems.
present of bill of materials. The item that we use for our product is 6. The first one is glasses frame, which is RM 6 ringgit and 45 cents. The second one is IR sensor, is 1 ringgit and 55 cents. Arduino Pro Mini is 9 ringgit and 32 cents. Vibrator motor sensor is 5 ringgit and 90 cents. The piezo buzzer is 50 cents. And the last one is light polymer battery, is 88 ringgit and 88 cents. For the total price for the all item is 32 ringgit and 60 cents. For the next slide is target market. For the first one is our company is focused on consumer market for the main product. The second one, for the demography, we choose 5, which is, for the first one, age is 21 and above. The second one is occupation. Most of their work on the road, like lorry driver or working late and sleepy tired while driving. For the third one is social class and income. All the classes are required. For the last one is psychographic. Lifestyle for the customer that always working overtime and wanted to make their way to destination is safe. For the next slide is benefit and value. For the first one, we have cost. So point for the cost is this product is affordable and do not waste money to buy coffee or candy to stay awake. For the second point is feel more confident in your driving daily basis. For the second one is convenient. Point for convenient, this product can make customer things easier to focus on other things. For the second point for convenient is be empowered to make better decision. For the last point is usability. Point for usability, the first point for usability is a product that is intuitive to use. The last point for usability is save time, so you can focus on other things